Welcome, swing traders, my chart workers. Please, if you're a subscriber to my channel, tell me what are the companies you want me to analyze. This will help me to make videos that you actually want to see. So, on today's video, we'll talk about SoFi. Based on the weekly and daily TPO analysis, I will tell you and show what levels are in play. Of course, I will show you what are the technical analysis levels that are playing for the SoFi stock based on the indicators that I built during this week. Took me like 4 days to build it, but I did it. So main question, based on the current price action, are we having chances to come to $17.75 and higher, or our next target would be to reach $15.15? Please subscribe and tell me what you think. Let's do it. So here is a weekly TPO analysis. Let me put myself smaller. How to do it? Yeah. So here is the weekly TPO analysis for you guys. As you can see, we finally came to the level that I mentioned a few videos ago, $15.85. This was a naked POC left loss in June 2025, and we finally reached it. So such point of controls acts like a magnet. Price, in most cases, showing the reaction there. But as you can see, weakness is already present because even it's the weekly profile P shape for this stock, but still we are at the bottom. So we are testing lows. This tells me that if on the daily profile we see the weakness, then our target would be $15.15 for the next trading days. If no other positive sentiment happened for this stock and the overall sentiment on the stock market is weak. So just be aware of that. Other big target for us, why did I tell you 1775? Because this is a naked POC left for us last week. This is actually the main target in order for us to believe that bounce will actually happen for this stock. For this week, our point of control located at the $16.83. So in order for us to believe that we go there, we firstly need to go and test area just below $17. If we accept this value area, then we go higher. This is how the process is going. So as you can see, even here, the range of the point of control for the 2 weeks ago was in the range of $18.33 and $18.45. But you constantly see that SoFi was losing the value for more than a few weeks. So weakness actually present for the stock, but in order for us to believe that something positive is actually happening, we first need to break $70 and then go higher. So be aware of that. On the daily profile, you can see our levels here. The big daily level left for us is the $15.09. So this is actually where I believe our tail could actually go before seeing the reaction present for this stock during this price actions that we are seeing right now. Because as you see, for today, our point of control is $16.15, and we have right now traded at $15.90. So weakness present, we came and we are testing during the G and H periods those lows for today's and making new lows. So this is not looking positive for the stock. Be aware of that. Once on Monday or on Friday, yeah, today's Thursday. On Friday, once on Friday, we open within the value area of today, and then we can go higher. But if we actually test very low and get rejected there because it's really close to the point of control, then the weakness will be still present for this stock. And the target would be to go constantly and try to reach $15.10. And on the weekly analysis, $50.50 is also a good level for us. So just be aware of that. The positive targets for us, as I mentioned on the weekly levels, are to reach $16.83. This is the point of control for Wednesday. And once we do it, then we will go and test $17.46 because this is a big level that was left to us last week on last Wednesday. So keep that in mind. If you actually want this stock to go higher, we firstly need to accept this value area here, and then only we will go higher. So be aware of that. And here's my indicator. So on this indicator, I actually able, sorry for that, to see what's cooking for different stocks at the present moment. So for example, for SoFi, we have the today's on today we made the 4 hour leg at the level of $16.51. So be aware of that. We are coming from that level and coming hot, let's say like this. And the other big levels that were left for us were $16.17. It was left for us 2 days ago. And the big weekly level also was present for us from the level of $25.85. So as you can see, even for the SoFi, the trend is negative on the all time frames. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, all trend is going down. So the weakness is present. Even my indicator indicated me that the bearish setup is A plus. So this is the setup, the logic that I made for this indicator telling me that you can try longs, but the 89% chance that the shorts are in play for today, and you clearly can see that today was this day. And actually, some other stocks has a similar trending reaction today as well. The expected move for today was between $15.20, $17.40 based on the ATR. So the range for this stock and the weekly range is $13.90. I don't expect that we will reach it next week, because this calculated for me to understand how to play with options. So, but be aware of that even next week we can actually go as low as $14. So be aware of that based on the analysis and of this indicator. Thank you for watching, and please comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think.